Hey guys, so today is likely the second video I'm posting today. I've got a few boxes and I don't want to get way behind, and I know there have already been some videos out there of what I'm talking about today, the Target Beauty Box for March 2019, and this is pretty heavy. So I'll get unboxing in just a moment. Just want to remind you that I still have my giveaway going on to win the new ABH Riviera palette. So my giveaway video will be linked down below. That ends the 20th. So, if you do not know about the Target Beauty Box, this is $7, and this isn't really a subscription because you have to log in and physically purchase it every month, so it's not just automatically taken from your account like subscriptions are. And also sometimes there's multiple per month, one or two. I think the most I've seen per month is 2. This month there is only 1 box, so I will link this down below. When I checked earlier today, it was still in stock. In the past, these boxes have sold out really quickly, but I think Target's doing a better job at stocking them. I think I even saw that you can still purchase the February box, at least as of today. So like I said, this is $7, or I think I said, but if I did not, this box is only $7, which is super awesome. And if you're a Red Card member, you get like a little off, like 40 cents or something like that. So it's even a little less than that, and you get free shipping as well. So when you go and purchase it online, you do get to see everything that's inside it. I do like glance at the picture because I post it on my community tab. I always let you guys know there when the box is available, just in case they do sell out like they have in the past so quickly. So I did take a look at the picture, but I didn't really read the descriptions or anything like that, so it's kind of a surprise. And I've been trying to avoid watching any videos. I usually do that with all my boxes. Sometimes I can't help it, and I watch my favorite people and my friends open their boxes if they get them first. But I've not watched any of this box. So I like how it's green. It really goes with the St. Patrick's Day theme for March. By the way, I've been wearing that charm bracelet I got in my Sprinkles and Wishes box. So yeah, I feel very festive. There is like a truck outside making beeping noises. Okay, it stopped. So when you open the box, this is what you see. So there's a card on top, and then the products are wrapped up in some yellow tissue paper, and the tissue paper looks slightly wet, so hopefully everything is okay in there. We'll see soon. So I will read this card to you. It says, March into spring. If you spent your winter hibernating and sipping hot cocoa, you're not alone. I did not. I mean, I hibernate all the time, but I do not sip hot cocoa. It's too hot in Florida. No shame in our game, but now that the days are getting longer and the weather's getting warmer, it's time to get glowing stat. To the rescue, our box of beauty finds that'll help you march into spring more radiant than ever. Try them out, and if you love them as much as we do, find the full-size versions at target.com/beautybox. And then on the back, it gives you a little bit of information about the products. There's some like tips and tricks under certain ones. It does not give the pricing of the full-size products, but the Target link I leave down below will also have all the individual products, so you can look there if you're interested in just one of the products, not the box itself. And then, oh, this looks different. So every month you get like a coupon code for $3 off any beauty purchase of $15 or more, and this month they make it even easier. You can just like scan the code. So it looks a little different, but it's the same thing. So that's really nice. So if you use your $3 off, the box is only like $4. I'll be honest, I haven't used it just because I'm kind of on a no/low buy besides my subscription boxes. But I do keep these around just in case I make a Target trip. I'm just so bad. There's one time I went in just for tampons and I left with like $800 and a new credit card, like a red card, because I saved money. Like I spent $800 on so much stuff because like everything was like $20. I was just PMSing. Yeah, so I'm not allowed to go in there anymore. So yeah, but anyways, moving on. Let's get to the box. So hopefully nothing's leaking like I said. Just glancing in, it looks okay. So this is what it looks like. Can't really show you too close or it'll spill out. I'm just gonna grab the first thing I see. This is by Shea Moisture. It's their sugarcane extract and meadow foam seed silicone-free miracle styler leave-in treatment with marshmallow root. And this is for all hair types. It's made with fair trade shea butter. I have so many leave-in treatments, so I probably won't get to this for a while, but I do use them every day, so I am happy to get this. I like how it's a spray bottle too. Now let me fix my focus. Okay, sorry, it took me, I didn't realize it wasn't focused like in the middle of the screen, it was focused to the side, so sorry if I look strange throughout this, but here is the product. So I like that it has this spray bottle. That just seems very convenient. So let's see if we have any information. And this is a big size. This is 101 mLs, not 100, 101. So this is, where is this? It says it's an innovative blend of sugarcane and nourishing botanicals that leaves tresses tangle-free so strands are manageable and luxurious. God. One day I will learn how to speak. So it's cool that this is cruelty-free and all that. It says it has none of all the bad stuff listed right there, so you can see. So yeah, I'm excited to try this. I don't know what the scent is, but anyways, I do see some things in here I have tried that smell wonderful. This is the Love Beauty and Planet. This is the Argan Oil and Lavender Shampoo and Conditioner. And I don't know what box I've received these in before. I feel like it was a Target box, but maybe not. I know Target often does feature this brand, and I love this brand, but this smells so good. And it doesn't smell like lavender essential oils. It smells like better. You know, it probably has some in here, but it smells so good, you guys. I'm so excited to get this. So yeah, nothing seems like it's really leaking. You know, see how these are all taped up? Well, there's one item that's not, so I wonder if that maybe leaked a little bit, but anyways, I'm super excited to get these. And these are 89 mLs. They're all like weird sizes today. I guess, yeah, 3 fluid ounces are about 90 mLs. So I'm excited to get this. I've got a lot of shampoo and conditioner right now, but I'm going through it fast. I'm reviewing the shampoo and conditioner right now that I got from Influencer. If you did not see that video, I will put it in the eye and down below. So far I like it. I've been using it for over a week and I feel like my hair is looking pretty shiny. I'm also using a new hair straightener, which I will probably feature on my Instagram. I'm supposed to do it this week, so look out for that. But yeah, let's see what this says. So this is a rich blend of golden argan oil and French lavender that leaves locks smelling fresh and helps keep strands frizz-free. And it says, before shampooing, soak your hair with lukewarm water, which also helps open pores for a better wash. I mean, what? Does anyone shower with cold water? Not like on purpose usually. And then it says the same thing for the conditioner. All right, so let's move on. What's this little guy? You can't really see the whole packaging. It looks like a Bliss product. Let me take this Target tape off so I could see what it is. So as you can see, this comes off easily. Sometimes like when things are hard to open, it's annoying, but this tape is protective and comes off easily, so perfect. So this is the Bliss Rose Gold Rescue Gentle Foaming Cleanser for sensitive skin. So this is another thing I'm happy to have, but I probably won't use it instantly because I just got a new face cleanser that I want to review on my FabFitFun, and currently I'm working through one I got in last month's BoxyCharm. But I will definitely use this, maybe when I travel too. And I mentioned this in I guess it was, I was going to say yesterday's video, but I think it was earlier today, that I do plan to do like reviews of all my boxes, like quarterly reviews. So I will try and update you guys on all my thoughts on everything I receive in my boxes. So look out for that. All right, and this looks full. This is the item I thought maybe leaked. Like, it's seriously barely anything. It was a little scary to see like a little wet mark. But yeah, the cap's on, I don't know what that's from. But this is the Shea Moisture Matcha Green Tea and Probiotics Soothing Toner and Hydrating Mist with Milk Thistle. Ooh, I'm excited about this. And this is 59 mLs. 2 fluid ounces, so you can travel with this. This 2-in-1 facial toner and hydrating mist with matcha green tea is known to be rich in antioxidants and good for you probiotics. It helps to soothe and restore balance to skin. Take on the day with smooth and hydrated skin, cruelty-free, all that good stuff. So I love face mist, so I am happy to have this. I'm not gonna put it on my face right now, but let's see if you can see. I've always wanted, you know how like some people do it on camera and you could see the mist? I've never had that happen for me. Can you guys see it? I can't. Now it's like all over. It's probably like on my camera. Can't tell if there's a scent or not, but it has a really fine mist, so it seems nice. Yeah, I like that. I'm like wasting all of it. What am I doing? I sprayed like 10 times. So yeah, I'm excited to get this. Let's see what, if this card has anything different to say about it. It says, for an extra boost of hydration, spritz onto skin before applying your daily moisturizer. So just like kind of like how toners work. You should do that anyways. So awesome. And then there's one more thing in here. This is by Tresemme. This is the Botanic Color Vibrance and Shine Intensive Mask with pomegranate and camellia oil. It's intense nourishment for vibrant color for up to 8 weeks. So it says apply generous amounts of wet hair, massage from roots to ends, leave in for 3 to 5 minutes for deep conditioning, rinse thoroughly. No need to use a conditioner. So this is like a hair mask. And this is pretty big. Like if you have like insanely thick, long hair, maybe you'd only use this once, but I've gotten these before in these boxes and they last me like probably more than 3 uses. Like I would say like a week worth, like, but I don't use them all, like, you know, like 7 uses I would say. Because you don't need a lot of conditioning. I mean, I'm sure you guys have all conditioned your hair before, you know how it is, but I'm speaking for light, like fine, thin hair. But anyways, so let's see what it says. It says, the tip is the directions. It says apply generous amount from mid-shaft to ends, leave on hair for 3 to 5 minutes and rinse thoroughly. It says use once a week or as needed. So I try to use a hair mask about once a week. I do it when I shave my legs. I don't shave my legs every day. I don't know. I live in Florida and my legs are always out there, but so like about once to twice a week I use a hair mask. But anyways, yeah, this is very like hair care heavy, isn't it? But we have 2 facial products, so I'm fine with hair care. I mean, I probably won't get to all this right away, but I will use it, and that's what I love. I'm probably most excited to use this just because I think it'll be fun to spray it. I love leave-in treatments. Oh, I'm also really excited about the hydrating mist too, because this I can start using right away. Then we have the Bliss facial cleanser, the shampoo and conditioner, and then the hair mask. So awesome. And these are all things you really use in your everyday life. That's kind of like what the Target beauty box is. So if you like any of this, you can just go to your nearby Target or order it online. Like, so these are things you actually like need. I mean, most people wash and condition their hair and wash their face and stuff like that. Maybe not everyone uses toner, but this is a good way for people to get introduced to it. So yeah, $7, I think it was worth it. Moving on, let me talk to you about my eye look today. I really like it. It's kind of boring and it's really similar to what I've done before, but I kind of just smoked out the outer corners a little bit. So if you have not seen any of my recent videos, I am reviewing the Riviera palette and I also have a giveaway going on. So I'm using this every day through March 20th, so I can kind of give you guys different looks and ideas and my full opinion on this palette. If you have not seen it or you just want a reminder, this is the beautiful palette. Very colorful. I love it. Today I have both Estate and what is it, Coastline in my crease. And then I used Palm and I put that in my outer corner. And then I put Yacht, this pretty shimmery gold shade right up here. I put that on my lid and I worked a little bit of it into the palm too, but I didn't put it all the way throughout my lid. And then I used Coastline right here on my lower lash line just a little bit. So all of these looks have been pretty simple just because these shadows are so easy to blend. Like, I think you guys already know my opinion on this palette. I really like it. Today's look is definitely a look I would go for like all the time, like every day type thing. Like yesterday or this morning, I wore like a bright pink look in my Birchbox video, and I really like that, but this is like way more up my alley. Like there's some color, I feel like that palm color in the corner, like with the other shades, it looks kind of like more plum, and with the gold, I just think it is beautiful. I really like it, so I am so excited for one of you guys to win this. But anyways, thank you so much for being here and unboxing with me. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.